Hello, and I'm waving to all of you guys to get your attention to watch the video. My name's D7, this weekend edition of video, good through Sunday, November 19th, 2017. Wow, we have an crazy couple days here in the markets. I want to talk about that. We're going to go into the Dow 30. We're going to look at tech stocks. We're going to look at all sorts of stocks. All right, the markets right here. Everybody on Friday in negative territory, especially the diamonds down 0.65%. But we have small caps, the Russells, 2,000 up almost 0.5%. Financials down, dollar down, crude oil up 2.5%, gold higher by 1%, silver higher by 1%, VIX lower by 2.5%, and Bitcoin down by more than 1%. Woo! We got a lot to get to. All right, before I do, Mark the Meerkat, guys. You watch his video. Watch his video. The day trades that he's showing right now, they had a killer day, couple days. This week has been just really, really good for day trading. Hey, it's not for everybody. You need 25,000 US dollars in your account, and you have to be ready to be trade on a minute chart, 1 minute chart. But guys, if you just want some more information on it, go to groktrade.com, take the day trading webinar. We got a lot of people signed up for that. You'll enjoy it. Okay, mentorship is oh wow, what are the mentorships, Keisha? Dates.
December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
December 2nd. 3rd and 4th. If you want to spend 3 days with us to be taught the secrets of trading, your life will be changed. Contact us. All you have to do is go to mentor@groktrade.com or Keisha@groktrade.com. You can do that too. Okay, here are the markets. So, Spider, the S&P daily chart, up, a bounce off of a support line right here, a little bit of one, boom, we're higher. We have a buy on this. And if you're new, I've been trading 19 years. This February, it'll be 2 decades. And I do put calls in. If you'll notice, I have arrows going back, and these are my calls on buy and sell. Anytime we chop sideways, you're going to see that they're just a train wreck. But once we trend, these calls are making a ton of money. You're going to see these on a lot of stocks, okay? And I put on the good calls and the bad because when I put them on, they're there for everybody to see from this point forward, okay? All right, let's get going. The diamonds had a buy on it, but today we dropped. It's chopping around, so it's blowing up on me. This is what I'm talking about, the churn. And I'm going to get rid of a couple of these lines now that just do not make sense. Whoa. Did I just delete an arrow? I think I might have just deleted an arrow. How do I go back? Back. No, I didn't. Okay, just making sure I didn't delete an arrow. I never want my arrows to disappear, okay? All right, so that's where we're at. On the diamonds, I have a buy on it. I don't like that we're below the 20-day moving average. The NASDAQ, we got a buy on that from way back here. Up. That's looking fine, but it looks like it could be a double top here. If Monday we start to drop, that would be bad news. Small caps, I got a buy on it yesterday, and today we popped up. Small caps doing really, really well above all major moving averages at this point. But the thing that's very important to us on a weekend edition video, guys, as you know, is I like to look at the weekly chart still. Here's the weekly chart on the Spider. So the S&P 500 up. We're just kind of turning sideways here. The question is, we do have a lower high. Do you see this? You can blow this up. Go to full screen. This is high definition. Go to full screen and watch this in much better quality. And see the lower high here for the week? That could be a shift in momentum, but we need to stay above this yellow EMA. That's an 8 EMA for the weekly chart. The diamonds, if you look here on the Dow, we're up, but we have a lower high and a lower low for the week. Do you see that? That is a pivot candle, guys. We could be ready to drop. NASDAQ says, no way, we're still going higher, but let's analyze this on a weekly chart. We have a higher high, but we have a lower low. Higher high, lower low. It's an outside trading range candlestick that shows a lot of indecision. That could be trouble, but not as bad. But if you look here at the small caps was down, but we're popping here. It's almost like the weekly is bouncing off support, like we're getting ready to go boom to the north. So small caps, the Russells, looking like they could start to get really bullish here. I'm telling you, if we have a negative week, next week's going to be a short week because we have Thanksgiving here in the U.S., but if we have a negative week going into next week, that's not going to bode well for the markets. We're at a critical point where we need to stay bullish. If you look here at the financials for the week, I called it last week a sell. We're dropping. But this week, we're acting like we're trying to bounce. If I go back here to the daily chart, I'm going to go to the financials daily. Take a look at this. I have a sell on it. Down. And I'm going to stay with my sell. US dollar daily chart. I got to see the rising wedge. We had a sell when it broke that trend line, and we are still going down. The weekly chart on the dollar is also a sell now. The US dollar is in a lot of trouble, guys. Lot of trouble. So we have a sell on the weekly. We have a sell on the daily. And it's in a lot of trouble. In the monthly here, it's giving us a tweezer top at the moment, but I have a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy. But it's in this 20-month moving average is acting like a lot of resistance. Okay, here's crude oil. I have a buy on this. Up, pulled back. It was under some stress here, but I put this trend line. It did bounce off of it, so we're okay with that. Crude oil is still heading higher. My buy is still intact. All's well there. The weekly chart, let's see what's going on there. The weekly, we're at major resistance. You see this, guys? Major resistance. We're having trouble at this area. Do you see this? Boom. We're coming across. If I show you the line chart, resistance. See how we're right there coming across. This is trouble, so it needs to blast through that. Really needs to go through. Let's see if it can. Gold, this is the weekly chart. I got a buy on it, and boom, we are heading higher on gold. Let's look at the daily on gold. Oh, that's right. Earlier today, I put a buy on that. Boom, because it broke the triangle. It's very nice with the following wedge. It's looking good, looking good. On the daily, the weekly is looking good, heading up. I have on the monthly a buy as of last month on this, and we're heading higher. We're above all major moving averages. It's really good for gold. Let's see what's going on silver. Silver, I had a sell and a buy, and today it broke the triangle. See this? Boom! There on volume. Remember how I told everybody, watch for major movement. I think this is just the beginning. Look for silver to continue northbound. Silver is a big time buy right now. Boom, all above all major moving averages. Now it has another area of resistance to get to. It has this area of resistance, and that's where, do you see where sellers came in right there? It came in because of that swing high. We analyze technical analysis big time in our mentorship. You want the 3 days with us. It is life-changing. You will never be the same trader. You will always tell yourself and ask yourself, why didn't I get started earlier? There's so many things to talk about here. We would spend a good hour analyzing this chart. There's so many things to talk about here. I gave you just big broad strokes at an elementary level through my videos. There's so much more here. Okay, this blue lines here, another huge triangle. Look for a sizable breakout to the upside. That certainly could happen. And if you look on silver daily or weekly, we got a buy. We're heading up. It's looking really good. The monthly has resistance. We're at resistance on the monthly. It needs to get over that, but is it really resistance? Yeah, it is. Let's see if it happens. Let's see what happens on that. Okay, quick look before we get into all the stocks. The Dow, the tech stocks. We got a lot of cool stocks coming up. Here's the VIX. This is the fear indicator. That means when the fear goes down, that means fear is going down. If you look here at the chart, Yesterday we put a sell on that, and it's still dropping down, so we are dropping. I had a buy on it back here, hit resistance, and now it's dropping down. But we're staying above moving averages. That could rally back. Something to watch for. Remember, anything going higher on the VIX means the markets are going down. It's an inverse indicator. Here's the weekly chart on the VIX. Had a buy on it last week. This week we went boom all the way up. Look how it touched the 50-day moving average and came right back down. So that's something to be watching for. Something to be watching for. Let's see, the monthly. Oh, the monthly. Look at this. I can't do the monthly yet. The monthly is just half over, but I'm almost ready to put a buy on the monthly VIX. That'd be no good to have buy on VIX daily, weekly, monthly, and that will be trouble city for the markets as a whole. And for you guys that like to look at Bitcoin, let's analyze Bitcoin. Share the video. We're up. So we have a buy on Bitcoin. Okay, for you guys, pause the video, look at the buys and calls, the buy and sells on Bitcoin, and ask yourself, would you have made money? And it's a resounding yes. Rising wedge, but we are toying with this. I'll tell you, man, this is a jab right there. I foresee. Now, this is the daily. The daily did stall and close back down below this line. That's a problem. It should have closed above it. It didn't do that, so it's suspect. If you look at the weekly, let's see what happened. Weekly, I got a buy on it from way back here. Up, and we're still going. Remember how last week I said I wanted to put a sell on it, but I couldn't do it? Sure enough, look what happened this week. Boom, to the upside. Bitcoin's on fire. Listen, I am looking for a guru cryptocurrency guy or gal. I'm talking about one who can write or has written a book on it. Okay, I'm talking top in their field, stud or studette. Email me at des, @groktrade.com. Email me. I want to talk to. I'm talking top tier person on. We're not talking about someone who just knows about it, but can teach it. Okay, that's what I'm after. The monthly chart. Look at this monthly chart on Bitcoin. Boom! That's called an exponential move to the upside, and that's parabolic in nature, and that's heading up. Just know things that go up quickly, drop quickly. So the manner that it rises, look for the manner of a drop to commence at some point. All right, something to keep in mind. A quick look at GBTC daily. This one here, this is a Bitcoin. You can see up here, inventories, trust. It's another one we look at. But we got buys and sells on this one. Triangle, we got a buy on it, boom, but we hit resistance. I'm ready to put a sell on that on the daily chart, the weekly chart. See what's going on. Ooh, almost put a sell on it, but won't do that. Still a buy. And then the monthly, still looking really strong. All right, let's look at some stocks before I do. The mentorship, December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all day long. You can do it from the comforts of your own home. You will be sitting at your computer. We have webcams on. You're looking at our screens, and you're looking at our charts. You can take control of our charts. We can take control of your charts if you want us to. It's like we are sitting together. Very, very powerful way of learning. And it's not for the faint of heart. It needs to be somebody that you are ready to learn, and you're willing to be rewired. All right. Keisha at groktrade.com or mentor@groktrade.com for more information on that. And we'll set up a call. You and I. We'll talk together on the phone to discuss options. All right. Let's do this. If you're still with me, wow, Dow 30. Dow. We're just quickly gonna look at these. Okay, quickly. Whoa. I have a sell on Apple, but where's my... I didn't never put a buy on that. See, this... I remember talking about this. That I think that I'm missing a buy. That candlestick right... At least that one should have been a buy right here. At least this one, I should have had a buy there, and it's not there. But I should be putting another sell on, so my sell's there. Anyway, it's just that bothers me right there, that it's not, I don't have a thing. Anyway, let's take a look at the daily. The daily, we got a sell on it, and we stay with our sell. Apple's a sell on the daily, guys. AXP, got a sell on it, and that's building a low base, a bearish pennant even, but a lot of buying on the weakness. That could pop higher. It could pop higher, but the odds are against it. BA got this is a rising wedge. It broke it down. It's finding resistance. That is not one to be in right now. Boeing is not one to be in. Caterpillar, run. As long as it stays above the 20-day, it's acting as resistance. But we have a big trend line. That's a bull flag. I'm going to stay with my buy call on that one. On this one, it had earnings, so here I had a sell on it, but earnings came out, and you never know what earnings are going to do. So there's just something you can't hold the calls against me on that because you never know what earnings are going to be. So it's null and void before earnings. This one did pop up, so I put a buy on it. CVX. Got a sell on it. Remember how it was going up? I said I'm going to stay with my sell because this is a bear flag. Sure enough, there's the breakdown, so it's doing just what it's supposed to. Disney had a buy on it. Up, bull pullback, looking for more upside on Disney. And here is Dow and DuPont. They have merged together. I got a buy on this one, and we are heading up. GE, got a sell on that, dropping. GE is not one to be in. It's in a lot of trouble. GS, Goldman Sachs, got a buy, and then I got a buy on it. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to stay with my buy on this one. Home Depot, got a buy on it, but we're near resistance. Getting ready to put a sell on it soon, I assume. And IBM, people are saying you should be buying, or Intel. Let's get to that one first. But IBM, I got a buy on it. It's under a little stress now. Let's see if that buy will pan out, maybe not. But people are saying buy Intel. I got a sell on that. People are saying reasons on buying, why you should buy Intel. Maybe, but follow the text. Don't worry about what people are saying. People's opinions don't make us money. What makes us money is what the technicals are doing. And whoever reads them best wins. I mean, look at this. Here are my calls. I called it back here on July 12th, 17. You can see the dates down here. July 12th, or July 11th, rather, as a buy, and then I had it August 9th as a sell. Then I did another buy here on August 30th and stayed with my buy until that's November 3rd. And now look at it, it's dropping. And Friday it dropped on huge volume, and it closed below the 20-day moving average. So you gurus out there saying why you should be buying, if you should be watching videos of people that's been trading and probably a lot longer than you've been commentating. But yeah, it might be ready for a buy later. It's just not ready yet. Look at the weekly. The weekly is a big fat sell. Look at this. Boom. There's my sell on the weekly. So, of course, that could be a bull pullback on the weekly. Maybe the purchase might be around $42. We're around 45 right now. So it's going to drop another 3 bones before we're even interested. And if you look at the monthly on this, look how it's starting to show some weakness here. Okay, Johnson & Johnson, weekly chart. Okay, this is a bull. Boy. This is a bull flag, so I'm sitting through a lot. I'm giving up a lot of profit, but this is a falling wedge too. I'm going to stay with my buy. I'm going to stay with it. Got to be committed to your patterns. JP Morgan, got a buy on it. Let's see what that does. Coca-Cola had a sell on it yesterday, and man, look what it did today. That dude dropped almost 2% today alone. But when it broke over the trend line, it should have stayed there. It did not. It closed back down below it, and it's just sealed its fate. So that's bad news. Oh, let me see something though. Let's draw a trend line from here to here. Yeah, so it stopped right at a support line. Support. Buyers came in, stopped it there. If you know how to draw these trend lines correctly, guys, you will be amazed. So what you can do is when you see something break a trend line intraday on day trading, you can buy the stock all the way up, and you know it's going to stop somewhere above that trend line. So you would have made the difference there. Yeah, a lot of opportunity there. But I'm going to do a trend line course, and you'll benefit from that. So you'll take that trend line course when I finally put it together. McDonald's got a sell on it. I'm going to stick with my sell. Triple M got a sell on it. It's getting ready to be a buy. Guys, do I want to put a buy on it? If it gets over that 20, I'm going to buy it. Put a buy on it. MRK got a buy on it as of yesterday. It needs to stay true. It should have popped today, and it just didn't. Microsoft got a sell on it a couple days ago, and we're dropping, and we closed below the 20 days. It's not good for that. Nike, NKE, boom, broke all sorts of resistance. That is real strong for Nike. Next, I see it getting to 60 really quickly here. PFE, got a buy on it, but it's turned into a bear flag. This dude could drop. PG, got a buy on it. Up, 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 up. Do I want to sell that now? I think so. There's my sell. There's my sell. TRV, got a sell on it. Oh man, I'm glad that was a sell. Holy smokes. That's on the 13th of November. And look at this. Down, 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 down. It's not good. UNH, got a sell on it, but that's going to be a buy soon. UTX got a sell on it, and oh man, below all major moving averages. That's bad news. Bad news for UTX. Don't be in that. Verizon or Visa got a sell on it a few days ago, but it's going to be a buy soon because we got support. But if it breaks that support, woe to Visa. Verizon got a sell on it. Oh, and yesterday I put a buy on it. Look what happened today, up 1.5%. So that could be short-lived, but nonetheless, we got a buy on that. And Walmart, got a buy on it, and then boom, to the moon. So that's looking good. And Exxon Mobil got a sell on it, and that's just crashing and burning ever since the sell. It's crashing and burning on a big trajectory, but when it bounces, it's going to bounce pretty quickly, and it could be the $82 before you know it. Okay, quick look at tech stocks. Tech stocks, guys. There's some cool trades on here. Tech stocks. Let's get to tech stocks. Where are you? Grok, tech stocks. Watch Mark the Meerkat's video, guys. Crazy day trading. You want to be part of that room if you are a true day trader. If not, do the mentorship first. You got to do the 3-day mentorship or you'll get lost in the day trading. Apple, we already looked at Apple. That's a sell. Amazon, we got up, 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 up. That's soon to be a sell, guys. Amazon is soon to be a sell. You don't want to be holding that right now. Baba, I got a buy on that, but let's see what happens. Baidu, got a buy on that. Let's see what happens. CSCO, got a buy after earnings. No, it wasn't earnings. What was that? I don't know what that was. It had to be earnings. I'm not. Yeah. Must have been earnings. Big pop. You got to buy on it because of that. Okay. Catfish. Got to sell on it. Oh, look at today. Big drop. Catfish down 3.3%. Oh, that sell is certainly working out nicely. eBay. Got to sell on it. Bam! To the downside. Facebook. Got to buy on it. Up, 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 up. That could be a buy. Google. Oh, no. Google. Oh, this is an interesting one, guys. This one's an interesting one. Should I put a sell on this? Oh, boy. Hold on. Hold on. I know you guys are saying, what's he thinking? What's he looking at? Take my mentorship class. That is a lifesaver for you guys. Oh, I'm just not going to do it yet. I'm just not going to. But this is in trouble. Google is in trouble. Oh, man, is it in trouble. It's in trouble, guys. Monday, Google's in trouble. GoPro, let's see what happens. GoPro got a buy on it, up, but that's a shooting star reversal pattern. It's almost a short, guys. It's almost a full-fledged short, and I got a buy on it. let's see what happens there. Microsoft, I got a sell on it, dropping, and today broke down below the 20-day moving average, so I'm really more comfortable with the sell, but it's going to get down to 81.5 pretty quickly, I think. Nvidia, got a buy on it, but it's looking a little toppy. ORCL, Oracle, got a sell on it, and we're below this trend line. I'm good with the sell. That thing is looking like a bear pennant. Looks like it's going to break down yet again. I can't believe this is a video at 25 minutes. This one is Priceline. Got a big drop. I had a sell on it, and then a buy. But this looked to short Priceline shortly. You do not want to enter that, even though I got a buy on it. PayPal. Up. That's a reversal pattern, guys. That's a dark cloud cover. This could be trouble. If it drops, I might be putting a sell on that red hat. Up. Still looking good. I got a big time buy on it. What, do I have a buy on that? Yeah, I was going to say I should have a buy on that. But, oh, man, making a tunnel now. And Snap, got a sell on it. And today we popped. It's going to be a buy on Snap today. There is that Twitter. Got a buy. Boom! And look at that. Boom! To the upside. It's looking good. I'm so glad, guys, that I have my computer back. My computer's been on the blink. I lost my whole hard drive. My system wasn't seeing it. I run, for you geeks out there, I run my C drive, my operating system, on an M.2 and everything else on a D drive, and I run that RAID 1, and my RAID array wasn't being recognized, so I lost everything. I had to bring it into the shop, and we got it fixed again. And so it's good. I got my microphone. My last video was just horrible with the microphone. I did everything from my laptop, and it was just trash. Anyway, but if you're new and you're watching this for the first time because somebody shared it on social media or they sent it to you, I want to say that I appreciate you. We've been doing this a long time. I've owned Grok Trade for 10 years, a whole decade, and been trading 19 years. And anyway, been teaching people, been teaching individuals for over 12 years. So we have a curriculum that's dialed in. And I know I'm biased, but it's better than any curriculum out there because we've got 19 years wrapped up in what we teach and how we teach it. And it's the secret sauce. And we're happy and very proud of it. And I try not to be a proud man, but anyway, it's good. We have webinars. Feel free to take the webinars. At the end of the webinars, we give you an opportunity to team up with us in certain areas. And outside of that, I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving. Man, Keisha, you looking forward to Thanksgiving?
Yes.
We gotta feed our face. Mashed potatoes, gravy. Yeah, so anyway, so here's the deal, guys. Let us know what you're thankful for in the comments and what your favorite dish is. More importantly, what's your favorite pie? Mine's pecan pie. I'm a pecan pie guy. Well, anyway, take care. We'll catch you guys